guys, hello. Go to our YouTube channel. Here we are on the last day of our Git challenge. We have already completed and finished our next challenge to the Git challenge, and we are currently day 34 of the Git challenge. We are continuously following the 100 days of DevOps challenge till from day 34 days. So now we are at day 34 at Git Hook challenge. Git Hook is basically if you want to perform some of things on the GitHub. Like if you want to update changes, what is the main use of Git? What is the main use? So Git Hook is just that if you are writing a script, Git Hook are scripts that run automatically when certain Git events occur. Like if push occurs, commit occurs, or anything before you merge. If occurs, then Git Hooks are useful in that case. So let's So use of Git hooks is there. You can automate the check policies, doing actions, or just you want to if your code is depending on certain dependencies, or maybe if you want a security check of your code, like all the dependencies installed are of a particular version or not. So for this, step out भी किया और इस बार तो गेंद तक पहुंची भी थी. So we can use Yes, by doing this, I'm also seeing the cricket match of India's Women's Cricket World Cup. You can see here. So, I'm watching this one. Right now, final is happening. So, yeah. So, seeing the side buys, let's start solving this problem. Let's first go to our task, what they are saying. So the notifications application development team is working on this repository, which is called under USR SRC. Let's hope for the best that our India team wins. So which is cloned under USR SRC code repository directory present on this server. So before doing anything, let me just open the details tab and let's just log into our storage server using the Git credentials. And okay, so yes, we want to log in. Let's just copy the password as well. Okay, now we are in our storage server. Let's go to this repository so that most of our task is okay. So now the task is 20% done. Let's see what we have to do. We have to merge the feature branch into the master branch. Like if we see, let's log it as a root. Sudo password from the branch. No, this will not be the password. Let's put the password again. Okay, now we are logged as a root user. Why we are not users? Let's do it again. Yes, now we are logged in as a root users. And we are inside the branch. Let's see the branch. Okay, so we have to go inside blog and then we can see the branch. We have two branches and right now we are at our feature branch. So what we have to do, merge the feature branch into the master branch, but before posting changes, we have to keep below point. Firstly, we have to create a post update hook in this Git repository so that whenever any changes are posted to the master branch, it creates a release tag with the name this where date is supposed to be the current date. Okay, so current date we can there is one function I think. What was that function for the current date? There is one function I actually which fetches the current date. Yes, yes, correct, correct. Date tab is this. If we, date is uh, so let's see the date. Yes, yes, okay, so it was a small one. So you can see this current date we can take it as today is Sunday, November 2, this UTC time 2025. Great. So we can make use of this date command. Let's clear all the tasks. ls sorry. And let's see the branches. Which branch? We are on the feature branch. Okay. Yeah. So now what we have to do? Are we inside open? Okay, let's go inside this repository because we have to write inside this file. So we are inside this blog.git and right inside this we have the directory hooks where we can write hooks and see inside these hooks we have already some apply batch messages, post update, pre-base, pre-commit, send email, maybe validate. These are some pre-hooks which are already installed.
भेड़ तो पीछे चल रही थी, उनको एक लंबा रास्ता लेना पड़ा। डायरेक्ट हिट की जरूरत थी वहाँ पे। तीनों स्टम्प्स दिख रहे थे अमरजोत को उस समय। वो चांस नहीं छोड़ती है। अननेसेसरी रन आउट यहाँ पे साउथ अफ्रीका के माइंडसेट से। बट इंडिया बोलेगा जैसे भी आए विकेट चलेगा, हम ले लेंगे सब कुछ। सिर्फ 25 यार्ड का सर्कल होता है, इसमें इतनी आसानी से सिंगल्स अवेलेबल होते नहीं है। उससे पहले अवेलेबिलिटी जोर से शॉट लगाया था, रन बनाने का मन तो जरूर था, पर जमीन का और यहाँ पर एक बहुत बढ़िया पॉइंट है कि पॉइंट ए टू पॉइंट बी स्ट्रेट लाइन इज द शॉर्टेस्ट लाइन, लेकिन उस डिस्टेंस को अपने लिए बहुत बड़ा किया उन्होंने। मिठाई भी नहीं लगाई, दीप्ति को बहुत टाइम लगाते देखा।
Just a second.
टॉस गेम थी, लाभ उठा नहीं पाए। भारत के लिए बहुत बढ़िया हुआ, एक रन और एक विकेट।
We will see what happens. Let's see what we have to do next. Okay, so now we have to update the post update sample. Let's copy this post update. You can see here we can create a post update hook. So let's copy this post update sample which is already written. Okay, if anyone wants to read, then we can read also. Let's see what is written. Post update sample. So this is the written what we have let's copy. Let's see and copy this. Let's copy it to the post template. Okay. So after copying, replace the content with the script. Like this is the script which I have already written for you. I will explain you what this script will do. But let's first execute this and let's see, show you what we have written here. Let me show you what we have written here. Okay. Yes. Let's show you in a line. That will be better, I think. Okay. Let's show you as a cat. Okay. Okay. So what we have written here is C. So we have fetching the date from the in the form of a different format, and then we have to check if master branch is changed or not. So if the master branch is not changed, then we have to put this. If it is changed, then we can put it as one. If master branch is changed or is empty, we have to create a tag. How will the tag is created? We have to change mark as equal to one. Then we have to create a release tag for $date. $date means for current date. This is the thing which we have done. I think by mistake. Okay, I have also uploaded. Cat is this most I think let's do it again. Let's do this again. So now since we have already written this, let's give it a permission to execute this. Okay, so now let's go inside this and let's check out, and then we can merge it into the master branch. See, three commands I am executing together. First, go to this repository which is already given. Then we have to get checkout master, and then no feature. And we have to launch this feature here. So okay, so we have checkout, then branch is up to date, feature change, file change, node created. After the node is created, we can fetch tags and just show this again. So this three runs everything. You can see after the git post origin, we have already pushed it to the master branch. And then if you see the release tag is this and the current date. As you can see, the current date is Sunday, November, and release is on this is correct. 2nd of November today date is correct. So I think everything is okay. And now let's make a commit so that we can see that this should be updated or not. So we have made a commit and then changes the remote tag which is already exists. So the thing which you have to do is let's check say boom. What is the issue? Let's see this. What is exactly the issue? Police tag was not created from master branch. Work was not created from master branch. Then which branch it is created? Which branch? I am I am at the master branch. So release tag was not created from master branch. They are saying. Okay, let's see this again. Let's end this session and then just do this again. Let's redo this task. अरे यार
जानी बल्लेबाजी के लिए इसमें एक और गजब के लिए बहुत ही मजेदार ओवर ये लजीज 62 पर 2 साउथ अफ्रीका साझेदारी 51 रन की थी रन आउट होती है अमनजोत का डायरेक्टेड अगले ओवर में बॉस का विकेट झटका दिया श्री चरनी भारत के खिलाफ अच्छा खेलते जरूर है लेकिन ये दबाव आज तक उन्होंने कभी महसूस किया नहीं है वर्ल्ड कप का फाइनल एक बड़ी रन चेज उसके बाद हमारे साथ काम
कितनी
सर खिलाफ एक बारी है जो भी याद है हमें लेकिन ना इस समय मैच में थोड़ा सा आगे भारत लेकिन हवा में थी लेकिन देखा जाएगी चाल पूरा ग्राउंड सेकंड स्पेल अमनजोत पहले दिया है हरमन ने यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी ओवर्स निकालना चाहती है अमनजोत से मुझे पास है नहीं विकेट में आपको हेल्प बिल्कुल नहीं मिलेगा और आप प्राइवेट हेल्प में डाल नहीं सकते लॉर्ड ओवर को पसंद है वो सारा दिन ड्राइव मार सकती है और इतनी अच्छी फॉर्म से आ रही है सेमीफाइनल जिताया उन्होंने अपनी टीम के लिए ये सबसे बड़ा विकेट होगा इस मैच में मेरे हिसाब से थोड़ा फील्ड सेटिंग भी थोड़ा बेटर हो सकते थे ये जो फील्ड सेटिंग आप कर रहे हैं ये पहला बॉल से होना चाहिए था मैं पहले ऊपर लेके स्ट्रेट फील्डर लगाओ क्योंकि आप स्टॉप लाइन को अटैक कर रहे हो आप ज़्यादा रुक नहीं दे रहे हो आप स्विंग नहीं करवा रहे हो विकेट अच्छा है थोड़ा लाइन खेल सकते हो तो फील्ड सेटिंग और बेटर हो सकते हैं अमन के लिए सामने पाई रही थी कीवर्ड दिया वैसे तो एक्सीडेंट में कर रही बनना चाहती थी आदमी उसकी कटिंग चुप चुप की गेंदबाजी कुछ नहीं करती है गेंदबाजी अच्छी करती है तो हफ्ते में फिर 2 दिन कहाँ तो क्रिकेट ही खेलना जो करना शुरू किया आज से पूरा दिन बना दिया इन्होंने पूरा विश्व कप श्री चंद्री के नाम पर है बट इस तरीके से उन्हें पहली वर्ल्ड कप में ऐसा लगा नहीं कि ऐसे बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंस श्री चंद्री से आएगा गो टू बॉलर बन चुकी है विकेट टेकिंग बॉलर बन चुकी है विश्वास दिख रहा है कि हमको दिखा रही है अच्छा कर मैं सी एक बॉल डालती है वो, बट अगेन बिल सेटिंग थोड़ा बेटर हो सकता है अमन के लिए, तो ये बहुत कंसिस्टेंटली वो डाल सकते हैं, क्योंकि 5 लेग ऊपर लेके मिड ऑफ को भी बाउंड्री लाइन के पास रख के आप फिर बैक ऑफ द हैंड डालो, वेरिएशन क्रिएट करो, किक के पास हो सकता है कंट्रोल है, उनको पता है कौन से एरिया में बॉल डालनी है। अपने पास स्ट्राइकिंग रख लेंगे कप्तान फट 13 ओवर के बाद। किसी के सामने नहीं, चाहे सामने
Okay, so we have completed this task. Let's go and check another task on it. Ending the stream in 3,